So, what about learning language by explicit correction? That is, even if the linguistic knowledge is subconscious that we know, could parents, caretakers, whoever, teach children the rules of the language just by explicitly correcting the children whenever the children say something wrong, right? And it's a fine idea, except the problem is that when you actually look at how this works in real life, parents don't often correct their children about the form of the language, the structure, the particular ways that something is said. Instead, parents correct when the meaning is incorrect or unclear, right? So for example, the child might say, these are actual interactions, "her curl my hair." And the parent's like, right? No correction there. And the problem, of course, is that this is not how we would say this as an adult. We would say, "she curls my hair." So the first two words are kind of incorrect. The form of that is incorrect. But the meaning is still pretty transparent. I mean, you didn't get the right words, but you understand the content that was being communicated, the meaning. And so the parent didn't bother to correct it. Versus, consider this one. "There's an animal farmhouse," says the child, looking at this thing over here, and the parent says, "No, that's a lighthouse." So we get the explicit correction, but there's not like there was anything wrong with the form of this utterance. It's a perfectly adult-like utterance to say. It's just that the meaning was incorrect, so the parent corrected for the meaning. So the idea is that if you're trying to learn about the rules of the form of language, which is a very important part of learning about language, you're really not going to get a lot of explicit correction.